Hello YouTube, I hope everybody's doing great. Here I will show a few add-ons I did made to my Ender 3D printer, and I will show you the results, and I think they are worth it. So I'm just showing you how it is printing right now. Case, and the reason why it's orientated that way is because I'm using Cura to slice the STL files, and I get much nicer results than before. And with this particular case, I have the seam on the back side, and that is the seam that will be least shown. Well, it could be either on that side or on this corner here, but it will not be visible from the top, and it will have nice, very nice layers. And so the major change I made is I switched to direct extruder, not the Bowden type where you have the Bowden tube going up and the stepper motor up. There was a stepper motor mounted. Oh, it was mounted here, and then with the Bowden tube to the extruder, and this is direct drive it's called. So this is the piece that I 3D printed, and I will link the files in the description below the video. And it works beautifully, and the main reason was I wanted to print in TPU. I also have my filaments. I don't have that many different colors anyway. I have mounted them on the back. On this side you have the original holder, and this side I just cobbled something together out of angle iron over here. And I had an old copper tube, which you can see here. I had that for like 15 years and never threw it out. And small reminder, never throw out anything, because the day will come you will be able to use it. And that's how I was able to extend it and hold all my filaments. And now I have this. I had that enclosure before, but every time I had to change filament, and I hated it, I had to take this enclosure off and then change the filament and then put the enclosure back on, and so on, and then thread it through the Bowden tube, because it was on the motor side. I had to fiddle around to get it in, and now it takes me like 30 seconds to change filament, and I don't have to go bring it and put it away and whatnot. I just heat up the extruder, push here, pull it out. And I did print these small clips for filament that are mounted on the extruder, and here I can just securely hold them there. I did find this. I will link it also in the description. All I did was put a hole in it for a screw, because before it had like a back plate with two to be mounted from the sides with two screws, but why not do it this way? And another mod which you can see here is the extruder indicator, and this is also that I found on Thingiverse. I just added this little cutout for a magnet, and it is holding on via magnet, and you can use anything else you like. And I also did print with TPU. I found these covers for the H.E.D.S. profile. Here you can see how it looks like, the profile. And I also, this is a new glass bed that I bought locally, and it made the whole difference. I had a QE, I think it was called, top, and it was just not working anymore. And with this glass bed I get beautiful how you call it, well, top part. Well, it's on the bottom, and with that I did print them in different length and put them in here, because before I had always filament filling dropping in there, and now I did this. And on the top I still have to finish it. I have one here, and okay, my print just finished. And you can see, I mean, obviously it's, oh, you can see the difference, and I wanted to show you this as well. And before I had like a coupler for a CNC coupler over there, so I could turn it easily. And now, oh, let me turn it off. I'm sorry if it was just too much background noise, but anyway, with this I can now easily move my, oops, that was not good, move my gantry up and down. And this is actually a press fit. I thought there would, here I have another one. I thought there would be a hole to screw it, to tighten it down, but it's a press fit and it holds. And very easy, 2 pieces and a screw. So anyway, that's what I also did. And as you can see here, it looks so much nicer with the profile covered up. I know it's just cosmetic, but we do stuff for cosmetic reasons anyway, right? This is cosmetic, you don't need that, it just looks nice. And anyway, these were the upgrades I did. I ordered some other clamps because these are just sticking out too much. And this is very old, just a fan cover. And this is it. If you have any questions, let me see if I can pull this off. No, it's still sticking. I'm printing with 50-degree bed temperature, and the TPU I'm printing with 0 bed temperature, not heated bed at all, and it just comes out beautifully. I'm really in love with TPU. Did I mention that? Anyway, I will show what it's for, and if you have any questions you can leave them in the comments. I will answer them, of course. And if you have any ideas what to do next, I will also cover this wire with these covers here, just for looks, again, nothing major. But having my spools up here, I know many people will have hundreds of spools and it will be not possible to have them all hanging there. But in my case, it's enough. And this way I also have, when I print something heated, I have my filaments in a dry place. I also have those silica gels in here on the back to help with that as well. And this is it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you want to support me, there are links in the description and below the video. Please feel free. If you like the video, like it, and maybe subscribe and hit the notification bell for future uploads. And this is it. Take care, everybody.